my name is Jessica Whitaker. I am here today with Chris and Connie, and we are doing a very cute engagement shoot. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do some of my favorite cute couple poses, as well as how to get some candid shots. Today I'm shooting with my Canon 5D Mark IV, my Sigma 35 art lens. Make sure to go view the full set of images over on my website. The link is down in the description box. And also Connie has a very cute blog, so go check her out. Her stuff is going to be down below. Subscribe for more photography videos, and let's get started. So we're going to start out with some wider shots. Typically I would start out with ones sitting down where it feels more of a relaxed pose, but the great thing about working with couples is that they're like in love, so they're already a little bit more comfortable than if you're just shooting like a senior for the first couple shots, because they can just like hold hands and smile at each other. So we're going to do some wide shots. Actually, let's do, can you like hold his arm? Yeah, perfect. Chris, with your right hand, I'll have you put it in your pant pocket and then have like your thumb kind of out. I always tell the guy, whenever they're wearing suits, especially with bridal parties, to have the thumb out. It just looks more flattering. It's not as like cut off. Oh, this is so cute. Cute. Yes, Connie. Yes. And then look down. Yeah, perfect. So you guys how cute you are. So cute. I'm dying. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wait, that's so cute. Wait. Okay. Wait, they're literally models. I'm dying. Okay. That's so good. Yes, Connie. Yes, with the foot. Yes. So cute. Wait, this is so candid. Yes, yes, yes. Adorable. I don't even know if I'm ready for this next area. Okay, so cute. Maybe face each other a little bit more. And then with your front hand, like hold hands or something. Yeah, cute. Yeah, I was gonna say with their face. Connie, you know. Yeah, perfect. And then so cute. Yes! And then Connie, look at me. Yes, so good. Now put your arms around his neck. Yeah. So good. So cute and so really good. Yes. So adorable. When you feel the love tonight. Smell it. Yeah. So good. And then Chris, with your front hand to the rest of this. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wait up. So cute. Like kind of lean against this. And then Connie, you'll kind of be at his side on this side, yeah. And then you guys can hold hands, whatever feels, yeah. Perfect. Oh, okay. So cute. So good, yes. Amazing. And then both you guys look at me. So cute. And then kind of lean your heads together. Wait, actually, I think Connie, I'll have you kind of flare over him. So almost like step forward a little bit. Yeah, and then put your arm around her. Yeah, there we go. Yes. And then put your hands up. Yeah, there we go. And then look at each other. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna have you guys. Oh wait. Oh, so cute. So as you guys can see, we're just doing a lot of the same pose, just adding in like a different step, or like look to the side, look down. It adds variation because then you can just come in, get a close shot, you could do a wide shot, you could do vertical with each individual little change, and then it looks like a completely different pose. I get a lot of questions about how I shoot moving people, and so what I basically do is I usually shoot in AF, like completely auto selection focus, or I'll do, you can really zoom out on this kind of thing, and I'll usually just pick how I'm going to frame them. I'm probably going to shoot here or here because I want to get more of the pink. But yeah, that's how I do it, and then I'm able to kind of back button focus a lot. And whenever they're moving, I try to do further away shots at first so that I'm not super stressed out if it's not super sharp. And I also have them walk slower. But yeah, autofocus is like key for this. So how do you guys start walking? And you guys are gonna look at me and smile this time, okay? Okay, perfect. Yeah, yes, cute. Yeah, good knees, good. So cute. So this time, as it does, the truck comes out. This is like so busy today. This time, Connie's gonna look at me, Chris is gonna look at Connie. The first time they both looked at me, then we're gonna mix it up by both looking at each other. Gets a lot of variation. Yes, perfect. we're gonna do one where you're almost kind of like rocking back and forth. So yeah, there we go. That's a lot of movement. Good. Wait, good. Yeah, perfect. And then you can look at Chris. Yeah, cute. Yeah. Wait, what the heck? You guys are so good. Adorable. Oh my gosh. And then Connie, look out this way. Yeah. And then tilt your head like down. Yep. And then kiss her again on the cheek, and then you can smile a little bit. Yeah. Cute. And then Connie, look at me. Beautiful. Perfect. Beautiful. And now have you guys look opposite directions? Yep. Perfect. And then Connie, the leg, I'll have you guys point your leg out. Yep, and then bring it right in front. There we go, beautiful. Yeah. Adorable. And then look back at each other. So cute. Oh my gosh. And then Connie, you can look up at Chris and be like, aw, cute. And now just tell her something funny again in her ear. Do some of these. This is very cute. You guys. Perfect. Cute. Kind of try to come in a little bit closer. And then when you guys kind of pull, try to come a tiny closer just so I can get you both. But you're doing so good. This is like choreography. Yeah, perfect, Connie. Beautiful. Yes, cute. And then Chris, just come in for a kiss and kiss her on the forehead after. Yeah, cute, Connie. And then Connie, look at you. Beautiful. So good. Yes, cute. Just keeping that. That's perfect. Step out into oncoming traffic. You have to, like, if you're not risking your life for the pic, what are you doing? Okay. Yeah, cute, Connie, yes! So good. Okay, yes. Cute, that's so good. Yes, Connie with the hand, yes, so good. Alright everyone, that was the video. I hope that it helped. I hope that you learned something. Thank you guys so much for coming. Again, view the full set of images down below on my website. Link is in the description box. Follow Connie over on her Instagram, her blog. All of her stuff is going to be down below. Again, her stuff is so cute. You're going to love it. And yeah, subscribe for more photography videos, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.